For much more on the wind part of this forecast, we'll bring in meteorologist Haley LaPointe.
Yeah, that's one good thing here. We're not talking about the strong wind gusts during the storm. If that had been the case, we might have had to use the blizzard word, but that is not the case. The winds, in fact, are going to be strong as this current system that we just had moves out. And then once the other storm, that weekend one, moves out as well, in its wake is when the winds will pick up. So kind of in between, a lull in the winds as the storm itself moves through. Wind advisory for tonight, and this goes through Friday up in the northern part of the state through the White Mountains. It goes until Friday evening. There could be some wind gusts later on this evening and overnight, upwards of 40 miles per hour through the southern portion of the state. And then tomorrow, especially midday and into the afternoon in the White Mountains, could be 45 plus. So you can see this here on the future wind gusts. This is 7:30 tonight. All of a sudden, the winds are just really going to start to kick up. You'll notice it. You'll probably hear it outside the window tonight as this cold air is coming down at us out of the west. By 8 p.m., we're seeing the wind gusts in the western portion of the state up to 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow morning, even in the southern portion of the state, kids back to school in some instances with the winds gusting over 30 or even 40 miles per hour. And look at this, tomorrow, 2 p.m. See this orange color here in the White Mountains? That's where the winds are quite strong. Finally, it comes down Friday night, which is a good thing. Skiing. So that will be impacted by the winds, of course. Tomorrow there may be some lift holds, at least initially because of the gusty winds, but then better days, then you have to deal with a little bit of snow and wintry mix potentially on Sunday.